My name is Martha Silcott and I run a company called FabLittleBag. We sell FabLittleBags. They are sustainably sourced disposal bags for tampons and pads. With a sustainable product, making sure that you don't fall into kind of classic greenwashing problems and that you rise above a lot of the misinformation out there. That's really important and really challenging, and we're always focused on that. We've been signed up with Amazon Launchpad since May 2021. I think what appealed most to us was the fact that sustainability is really at the core of what they're doing right now. And as a sustainable business, it's so great to have that support. Launchpad has supported our business through various different schemes like discounts on coupons. And I think, to be honest, the main thing is increasing the exposure of sustainable products to the customers who share our ethos on Amazon, and that's got to be beneficial to everybody. Over the last year, our sales on Amazon have grown over 100%. Launchpad is very much part of that extra boost of growth. I would say if you're a business and you're thinking about applying for Amazon Launchpad, do it. Launchpad is not only about showcasing products, it's about changing behaviour for the better. If I had to describe Amazon Launchpad in 3 words, I would say collaborative, I would say conscious, and I would say fab.